Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we talk about Admob earning and how to make a livelihood through Admob. All right, more than a side hustle. This business has changed my life since the last 3-4 years ago. Okay, and this year I made 30 million naira. That's this December, 30 million naira. Okay, this is my dashboard. Can you see it over here? You see? You see? Nice, and can you see it here? I see my name there. All right. This is from my Grey app where I receive my payments from. Can you see everything there? You're seeing it. You're seeing it. So Admob itself has many advantages. Number one is that you don't need to bring someone in. Let me say it's not a referral based system. Number one. Number two is that there is no extravagant payment. You really have to get your app, all right, or create an app, link it to Google Admob, and then you start in for your lifetime. The rules are very simple. If you experience, you enjoy it much more better. This is why I ask people to, okay, come, I'm gonna mentor you from my 3-4 years of experience, and then you earn like me. As simple as that. I have apps which help me to earn higher. All right, let me show you guys quickly. Okay, these are the apps which help me to earn higher from Google Admob. Number one, and in case you want to join Google Admob, the apps are all for sale, but then I'll make the video very short. Number one app is this alien puzzle app. Okay, it's all for sale in case you want to. All right, this is a preview of the apps. Can you see? App number one is this. Okay, so app number two is like a Call of Duty kind of interface. Can you see it here? A COD. All right, this is it. There are many apps up here. This is spin and win. All right, there are many spin and win which I created. Okay, there are many. There are so much many. But then these two apps is what gives me my highest earning from Google Admob. There's special ops and then this puzzle game too. The other one, they have this one too, is there too. Okay, it's there too. Can you see ads? Assuming this stuff is linked to your real account. This from this ads, your money is in your account already. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So, in case you want to get the app, I have another ebook app here too. Okay. In case you want to get an app, alright. My link, look at this ad. My link is below. Chat me, okay? Thank you so much, guys. Have a prosperous new year ahead.